Dear students, today we start problem number 5, exercise 12.3 NCERT book class 10. The problem 5 given, from each corner of a square of side 4 centimeter, a quadrant of a circle of radius 1 centimeter is cut, and also a circle of diameter 2 centimeter is cut as shown in the figure this 12.23. Find the area of the remaining portion of the square. So this is a square, this is quadrant, each corner we cutting the quadrant, and this is also a circle whose diameter given, this quadrant radius given 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, and this circle whose diameter given 2 centimeter. These are given. Now we want to find area of the shaded portion, remaining portion. This portion, this cutting, and this one also cut. Now what is the area of the remaining portion? Now we want to find this. So the length of the side of the square is 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter given. First we have to find area of the square. So first we have to find area of the square. Area of the square is side square. So solution is start. Length of the side of the square equal to 4 centimeter given. Length of the side of the square equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore, area of the square ABCD equal to side square. Our formula is side square, and this is 4 square, this is 16 centimeter square. This is the area of the square. Again we want to find area of the quadrant. This is sector area, this is a square, angle is 90 degree and radius given 1. So sector area of a quadrant equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta means 90 here, 360 degree, and pi means 22 by 7, and r given 1, r equal to 1 given, since r equal to 1. So this is 1 by 4, 22 by 7 into 1, and if we cancelling 1 by 4, and if we cancelling by 2, this is 11. So 11 by 14 we get. This is the area of a quadrant. Therefore, area of the 4 quadrant, area of the 4 quadrant here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 quadrant whose area is this. So 4 quadrant equal to 4 into 11 by 14. So this cancelling by 2, and this is 7, 22 by 7 centimeter square. This is centimeter square. So area of 4 quadrant equal to 22 by 7 centimeter square. Again area of the circle. Again area of the circle, area of the circle pi r square. Pi, so here d given 2 cm, r equal to 2 by 2 equal to 1. So this is pi means 22 by 7, r is 1. This is 22 by 7 centimeter square. Area of the circle is this. Now actually our requirement area of the shaded portion. Shaded portion, remaining portion means we subtract this fourth sector area and the area of the circle. Therefore, area of the remaining portion equal to area of the square ABCD minus area of 4 quadrant minus area of the circle So area of the square is 16 and area of the 4 quadrant, this is 22 by 7 minus area of the circle 22 by 7. So this is 16. So if we taking LCM is 7 1 this 112 minus this is 22 minus 22. So this will be 112 minus 44 by 7. This will be 7 is remain same. 12 minus 4 8. Here we get 10 68 centimeter square. So this is our final answer. Answer is area of the remaining portion is 68 by 7 centimeter square. Now we consider problem number 6. 6 problem given in a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle as shown figure 12.24. This is 12.24. Find the area of the design, that means shaded region. So this is our tablecloth, round tablecloth. This is a triangle, equilateral triangle, and radius of the circle given 32 centimeter. And we have to find area of the design area. This, what is the area? We have to find. That means if we find this sector area, this is from this we can draw in this way. So if we draw this, suppose this is our center, this is the center. If we draw in this way, if we draw, this is O is the center and we draw a perpendicular. This O, suppose OP, we consider P, and this radius given 32 centimeter. We have to find sector area minus this sector area minus area of the triangle, then we get this area. So this is segment area, this is segment area, this is segment area. So this is a sector. Suppose this we consider this point is M and this is P. So this sector area minus this area of triangle, we get this segment area. So how many segment area? 1, 2, 3. We get this. So therefore, first we have to find area of the triangle. Solution: area of the triangle we want to find. So this angle is 60 degree. This base is same base. This is central angle. If it is 60, then obviously this will be 120. 120 we get, because the central angle 2 times of this circular angle, base are same, we know this. Now we want to find these two triangles are congruent. Clearly angle BOC equal to 120 degree. Since angle A equal to 60 degree, so this angle will be 120 degree. So from triangle OMB and triangle OMC we have, so what we have, OB equal to OC, since both are radius of the triangle. OM equal to OM, since common side. Angle OMB equal to angle OMC, since each equal to 90 degree. So if we draw this line segment from center to this chord, then we get this always 90 degree. So therefore triangle OMB congruent triangle OMC by RHS congruence criterion. By RHS congruent criterion, these two triangles are congruent. If these two triangles are congruent, then this side equal to this and this angle equal to this. Therefore angle BOM equal to angle COM by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. Side BM equal to MC, side BM equal to NC by CPCT. Therefore angle BOM equal to angle COM equal to half of angle BOC, and half of angle BOC, this is 120, obviously this will be 60 degree. So we get this angle is 60 degree. This is 60, and this one also 60 degree we get. So if it is 60 and this is 90 degree, then obviously this is hypotenuse. If it is 60, then this is perpendicular. So again this is a right angle triangle, this is hypotenuse. So OM by OB, base by hypotenuse, this is cos 60 degree, and OM we don't know, but OB means 32 and cos 60 degree is half. So OM equal to 32 into 1 by 2, this is 16 cm. Again BM by OB, perpendicular by hypotenuse, this is sin 60 degree, and BM OB means 32 and this is root 3 by 2, and BM equal to 32 into root 3 by 2, this is 16 root 3 centimeter. Therefore area of triangle triangle OBC equal to half into BC into OM. Again BC means 2BM because M is the midpoint. BM and MC are equal. M is the midpoint. So we can write 1 by 2 BC means 2 into BM into OM. 1 by 2 BM means what we get? BM means 16√3 and OM means 16. So this will be 2 cancel and 16 means 256√3 centimeter square. We get 256√3 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle. Now we want to find segment area. Therefore segment area BPC, this is BPC, equal to sector area OBPC minus area of triangle OBC, area of triangle OBC. So sector area is theta by 360 pi r square and area of triangle 256√3. So this will be, theta means this whole angle is 120 degree. 120 by 360 into pi means 22 by 7, r means 32 whole square. This is 256√3 and this will be 1 by 3. 12 0 cancel, 12 3s are 22 by 7 and 32 square we get 1024. 1 by 3 this is 1024 we get and this is 256√3. So we get this one. So if we multiplying 22 into 1024, then we get 22 into 1024. If we multiplying 22528 by 21 minus 256√3. This is centimeter square. We get this one, 22528 by 21, 256√3 centimeter square. But actually our requirement, these three portion, only one portion we get this area, and shaded region means this, then just multiplying by 3. Therefore the required area of the design or shaded region equal to 3 into segment area BPC. So 3 into segment area BPC, just we get this result 22528 by 21 minus 256√3. So if we multiplying by 3 with this, 3 cancel, we get 7 and this is 22528 remains, and again if we multiplying 3 into this, then 768√3 we get. 3 multiplying with this and with this. If we multiply with this, then 3 cancel, we get 7, and this is 7. 256 into 3, we get 768. This is our answer, centimeter square. This is the final answer. So dear students, in this problem, this condition not given, just you have to remember how to find this solution. We can find another method also. This is also very nice, very simple. So I think the solution is very easy. If you are feeling easy, then please like this video, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.